I am Rashi from Gutsy Roads, and today I am going to speak about nitrogen in car tires. Nitrogen increases tire safety, tire life, vehicle performance and fuel economy and so on. Don't bother about it, it's all propaganda. There are only two things which are important. First, maintaining the right amount of air pressure in your tires, doesn't matter whether you use nitrogen or air. And second, maintaining the health of the tire, and I'll make a separate video about maintaining the health of the tire. So nitrogen is meant to be used in tires which are subjected to extreme variations in temperature and pressure. For example, aircrafts, Formula 1 cars, NASCAR and drag racing cars. Average consumer car, like the cars we drive, never face these kind of conditions. In addition, the benefits which are associated with nitrogen, for example, less gas leakage and rim rusting, are marginal as compared to air. Interestingly, there is not a single study published which correlates the constant usage of nitrogen with the impact on increasing the life of tire with X number of months or X number of years. Not a single study. Therefore, people, stop bothering about nitrogen. Focus on maintaining right air pressure in your tires. Use air and stop wasting your money. Hope you find this video useful. I will be making more videos on vehicle maintenance and safety. Please follow Gutsy Roads on my various social media handles, details given in the description below. Thanks for watching.